Some cracking good innovation here at the ASUS booth. Basically, they've updated every single series of notebook PC that they have. And it doesn't matter this year whether you're creating content or you're viewing it, there's some amazing innovation for you.
ASUS's ROG brand has always been about high-performance gaming, and the Strix series represents the top of the line with new performance features such as ASUS's intelligent cooling technology and a Nebula display for the ultimate ASUS gaming experience. Built purely for speed, these laptops are spec'd with Intel's latest 13th gen processor and NVIDIA's GeForce RTX 40 series latest graphics card for powerful and fast performance. New for this year, the Strix Scar range comes in 16-inch and 18-inch sizes. ASUS's 2023 creator lineup includes some of the best machines for creators. Powerful hardware, gorgeous OLED calibrated screens, and features like rotary controls provide a seamless workflow no matter your industry. The latest technology is the 3D OLED spatial vision technology, which allows you to experience 3D content glasses-free. It also allows 3D artists to truly visualize their creations in real time with the revolutionary 3D OLED display. The world-first screen technology makes the ProArt Studio Book 16 an easy choice for creators. Spatial vision technology will be available in the ProArt Studio Book 16 3D OLED model, as well as in the VivoBook Pro 16X 3D OLED model. The ExpertBook B9 is an excellent business laptop that offers big battery life in an ultra-portable form factor. Introducing the OLED technology to the ExpertBook line, it is now ready to provide the best display, and with its 70% blue light reduction, sure is friendly to the eyes, even after a long day's work.
The saddest part about all this technology, you're gonna have to wait till the second half of the year for it to arrive in stores, but when you do wait for it and it arrives, you'll be pleased you did.